Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm Timothy Holt from Holt's Custom Countertops, and this is the table that I'm working on for East Brady area ambulance service. I'm donating it. They gave me the table. They said it was going to be pitched, and I looked at it and went, hey, it's structurally sound. Why don't I give it a facelift and make it look nice? And then either they're going to keep it for the station or raffle it off as a fundraiser. So support the ambulance service. They're a great company and service for this area. So it is time to get some preliminary color on this board. This table is a drop leaf table on the two sides and then the main table. So I'm going to be pouring all three pieces at the same time. So when the leaves are up, it looks like one continuous piece. I'm going to be doing a fractured Faultline finish on this table. And to do that, I'm going to need to use some spray paints first. So right now I have my base coat of paint primer in one. It is earth brown. So as you can see, it's pretty dark already. I'm going to be using some blue. I'm not sure what color blue this is. Gloss Brilliant Blue. Some hammered copper. Your run-of-the-mill black. And run-of-the-mill white for my spray paints. I'm just going to lay down some lines and kind of pretend I'm a graffiti artist. So let's see what we got. There's no right or wrong way of laying down these lines. It's just a base coating to give some dimension. I'm going to start with some copper, I think, for this. And like I said, I want when the leaves are up for it to look like one continuous piece. So I'm going to have my lines going horizontally this way for the most part, and have it bisect all three pieces. So also with this, it allows me to get some color and texture, interesting things on the edges. So let's see what we get here. Let's just start spraying some copper here. Interesting. Okay. So this particular nozzle spray is kind of vertical. That's good to know. There we go. That's better. Much better. Yeah. Sure, we'll go that way. Make a big V here. When using spray paints, they do give off some noxious fumes. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera or not, in the microphone, but I have a fan going with fresh air being vented into this space. Also, I'm not wearing a mask, so you can hear me on the camera, okay? Otherwise, I would have a face mask on. Protect your lungs. I'm having some fun with this. It is a donation project. I am not receiving any compensation for it, so all proceeds, if they do end up selling it, will go to the ambulance service. East Brady Ambulance Service is an ALS service. They provide with medics, cardioversion, trauma, advanced life support. Very good service. So, of this recipe here, of this stage, and right there you can really see that edge. See how it's copper right there, then it's kind of a brown, and we've got some fogging, we've got our white. That's going to make that edge pop really nice. And you can see how that fogging changes the look. Is just use my colors and follow my pre-existing lines that I did with the paint. So I've got a line of black right here, so I'm just going to poured on, going right over top of the black. All right, I'm back. So that's the nice thing about this product. It has a huge open working time. And oh my goodness, this is looking good. Wow. We still have a few more effects to do, but I'm just going to show you these effects here. Check that out. Look at that. Wow, that is looking good. All right, so look at that. Look at all the dimension in there. Check that out. I don't know how well you can see it in that video, but man, that is looking cool.